Nigerians now na spoil Carter Efe relationship. You know understand? Because people they tell me say Geh Geh, go talk about Carter Efe and me see. When I go Carter Efe live stream that time, I advise am say, bro, leave this woman alone, let this woman go. When you come online, you go to hear different things about this their relationship. You go say, Carter Efe use juju for the girl. It could be like saying now the girl they do Carter Efe favor. And no man want day in that space whereby you feel like say the woman wey dey in life na favor the girl they do am. All those things women of they talk. This girl too clean for Carter Efe. This girl too bro. Carter Efe na successful man in all qualifications of life. Every angle of life, Carter Efe is successful. He not look bad. He did very presentable physically. Financially, he's not struggling. He gets your car where they drive. He gets your house where they stay. Then when you talk of career-wise, he did very successful for what they do. So where this talk of this Carter Efe used to do for this girl, that they enter that woman head. See all those type of talk they enter woman head. Would they make her they feel like saying a favor? She they do the man. Come like saying a privilege for the man to get her for the man to get her. All those things not make sense on us spoil their relationship. So many of them not tag me again, not tell me say go talk about Carter Efe. Not trying. Because me personally, I don't tell her before say, bro, let her go. Not worry, let her go. No woman pass man. You not get any angle where the woman take pass man. You can't be like for woman to decide my life na privilege for the man. No. That is going to make the man they very insecure. Many of them don't even know the crime of which one they do. When I want to hear bad news about people life, he gave a daughter live, a wife daughter live, and I'm going to get joy. Other people pain, they give joy, pain, sorrow. You go to use people sorrow and pain till they get joy for your life. Sure?
Like and subscribe.